box under here which gives you your amps and your volts. You've got a switch on the dashboard there which gives you forward, reverse and neutral. That's all you've got for gears. You've got the emergency stop switch there, and you've got a fast and slow toggle switch. 38 volts, 39 volts almost, 39 volts.
Forwards, fast.
Hey!
Away we go.
Oh, this thing's mental. Reverse. Yep. .37 volts reading, 36, 37. Feel like it's got any more power than last time?
I'm not sure yet. Get out of the road and we'll try.
I can't believe it's working. Wobbly this video footage, but we are in an electric Regal. Where are we going to turn around? Up the top?
Turn back in there.
Yeah, could do. It's so weird not having anything running when you stop, isn't it? Like electric. Nothing to hear, you know? It's like, oh, it's cut out, but it hasn't. Steering's nice and light.
Power steering.
Yeah, one wheel. It is, I'll tell you what it reminds me of. A Dodgem.
Yeah.
It's like an electric Dodgem, isn't it?
It's like something.
It is literally like a, I tell you, it is literally like a milkfloat, isn't it? It's definitely a milkfloat battery, milkfloat motor. Brakes sound a bit better now you've used them.